Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's having a good day. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for visiting. I decided to come on this morning to do a quick video to show some of the Halloween projects I've been working on. This is part of Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes share event on YouTube. If you're not familiar with Jill, she has a channel, Jillian Norwood Designs. She is quite well known for her gingerbread tags and gingerbread dies. She is an awesome crafter. Hi, Jill. And thank you, Jill, for sponsoring this Saturday Morning Makes kind of an event for all of us crafters to share what we're working on. So, as you can see, I have been working on some purses, which are very cute. I'll show those second. First, I want to show a treasure box that I've made. I'll put these over here. I saw a video. It was by Ann Melvin, Positively Papercraft. She did a box tutorial. I'll try to link that channel or that video below. And I just was intrigued by how she made the box. I just had to try it. I really didn't have any plans on what to do with the box, so everything kind of came together as I was making it. I did use some black chipboard, and the embossing folder I used was the Sizzix 3D Textured Impressions. The number is, let me see, 662. I think it's 662220. This would really look cute for Halloween. This would look cute if it was a spider web textured folder. I don't know if Sizzix makes one, but that would really be nice. I bought the latch at Hobby Lobby, and it came as a kit with the hinges as well. I hope I'm in frame. As you open it up, I did a little shadow box. And let me just get to the other side of my camera so I can see if I'm in frame. Yeah. The skeleton I got at Dollar Tree, and I just painted him white and glittered him up. This is also from Dollar Tree. Those are actually rings. I cut off the back shank and used it as a nice little spider. This was in my stash. I'm not sure where I got it from. Little sticker, 3D sticker. On this side, this is a little drawer. And then I did this. These are little journals. And I'll take each one out so you can see what they look like. I used this ribbon seam binding to try to keep them together. The paper is from Artie Mays. Artie Mays Designs from Etsy. She does digital paper designs, and I love her. Sorry, I keep going out of frame. I love her paper crafting, her designs. This is the Halloween kit, junk journal kit, and I shrunk each page down quite a bit so I can fit onto these little booklets. And then inside, these are all coffee stained pages. And this is also, I believe, from her kit. And then I found some Halloween sayings on the internet. I made them into little kind of stamps. There are some shading on the pages, stenciling, and a little bit of stamping. So each booklet fits in here quite nicely. I don't have my ruler, so I don't really know what their dimensions are, but I thought this project came out so cute. And the spider. I love that. And the witch. So that is my little Halloween shadow box. Quite happy with the way that came out. The other items that I worked on were some purses. This is a Cricut cut file that I got from Nicole Silhouette. She has an Etsy store, an Etsy shop. I will also try to link that below for this Cricut file. The files that she creates are really for the Silhouette cut machine. I have the Cricut, so you have to be aware that when you purchase one of the files, you're going to have to run it through a conversion file, which is found on the internet, to convert it to be compatible with the Cricut. It doesn't convert perfectly. You do have to edit your file. I found a lot of the score lines were not attached to the correct pieces. They were detached, as a matter of fact. Some of them were actually hidden under different layers. It was frustrating to edit the file because I'm not a knowledgeable design space person. So it took me quite a bit of time and patience. So just be aware. You can convert the files. She makes gorgeous items, but just know up front it's going to take you a little time to convert the file. I also used on this one this die. It's a lace doily die. This is from AliExpress, from the, I think it was the Becky store. And Nicole also designed this file, or this die. Now, I actually got the idea of how to decorate the purse from, it was Carol Herlock, and she is a very talented, sorry for my arm in the way and for hitting the camera. She's a talented crafter. I think her channel is called Carol's Craft Cottage, and she made some gorgeous, last year, some gorgeous Christmas purses. I had these flowers in my stash, as well as the little dots for the middle. This is from Artie Mays, as well as the paper. This is also Artie Mays' design. That's from the Halloween kit. And of course, I put the bow. This is not part of the handle is not part of Nicole's files. I made that myself. This is a dangle that I made from some beads I had in my stash. I also did a little alphabet dangle with my friend's name on it. Her name is Samantha. I just cut it down to Sam. And then you open it up. And what I put inside of hers is a scrunchie. This is showing, it almost looks like blue. This is a deep purple satin scrunchie that I made. And I also put in a pair of Halloween socks for her. It's a very cute gift and very easy to make once you figure out the Cricut file. So that's that one. This is pretty much the same purse, just a little different decorations. This is from my girlfriend, Sandra. I had this 3D sticker in my stash. And in hers, she got a little ring from Dollar Tree. This is the scrunchie I made for her. It's got Halloween jack-o'-lanterns, and there are skulls on here too. Oh, there's a skull. She also gets a pair of socks. And those are my items. This closes with, well, once I get this in here, I do have magnet closures on both of these. It fits very nicely when I'm not on camera. So, I hope you enjoyed the crafts. I'm sorry for being out of camera. I haven't made a video in quite a while and I'm rusty at it, as you can see. I hope everyone has a great day. Happy Halloween if I don't come on before then. And I look forward to making more videos. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.